roses. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you're not, make sure you like and comment. So yeah, today we're going to be making some rose oil. So the oils I'm going to be using is avocado oil, tea tree oil, and grapeseed oil. And Valentine's Day just passed, so I'm going to be using my leftover rose petals. I'm going to be using this little jar right here, so stay tuned and watch how I make my rose oil. I almost forgot to put on a pot of water for your infusion. So first I'm going to start off by just taking the petals off. I might just use one, not sure yet. So I'm just going to start by taking the petals off. Then I'm actually going to shred these petals up into littler pieces. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Now that I have my rose petals off, I'm going to shred them up some more. Next thing we want to do is add our oils to our jar. I'm going to start with the grapeseed oil. And I'm going to put some avocado oil in there. I'm going to do some tea tree oil. You just want to do a couple drops. Should have got my dropper, but I'm going to have to eyeball it. Now I'm going to put the rose petals in. Come some, a little bit up. Some more. Put my rose petals in. You can put as many or how less you want. It really doesn't matter. You can make it to your likings or whatever you prefer. Now we just want to mix it up. Mix all the oils up with the rose petals. I love the way this looks. This looks so soothing. Now I cannot wait to use it. So now we're going to put the top on our jar. And we're going to put it in our boiling water for infusion. So want to make sure your lid is on tight and put your jar in there. You want to let this infuse for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sit in the jar of boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to come back when I'm done and I'm going to show y'all my bomb ass rose oil. And this is my finishing product of my rose oil after the infusion. These roses are so pretty in this oil. So yeah, this is my rose oil. You're welcome to use my technique as well to make your own. I promise you, you will love it. This is my rose water and my rose oil. And I definitely use my Valentine's Day roses to make both of these products. as you should. But yeah, these are both. If you haven't, go back and watch my video on how to make the rose water. And yeah, these are the rose products. And this is my cuticle oil. If you have bad cuticles, hangnails, dry hands, this is the oil you need to be making for your hands. Make sure you go back and look at my cuticle treatment video to find out how I make this cuticle oil. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, share, you know, all that. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. You know, I had to come back and show y'all the effects of my rose oil. So I just got the shower. So my skin a little dry, a little ashy. So we're finna get some of this rose oil. Put it on the skin and see what it do. Y'all can already see my skin is shining and glowing, honey. Do you see it? Like, do you see it? The skin is glowing. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put the rest of this on my body. And like I said, make y'all some rose oil. Make you some rose oil. Look at it glistening. Make you some rose oil, girl. Peace.